And we know that starting from October the 21st, trucks started to enter Gaza. So far, how many WFP trucks have entered Gaza, and what are the main items on the trucks? How many people have received the supplies?
So it's, like we say, a drop in the ocean. So far, 12 trucks entered for WFP. That represents less than 4% of all the commodities that are needed to enter into Gaza, because the number of people is increasing them that are in need of food. It includes mainly ready-to-eat food, canned food, high-energy biscuits that people can consume on the go, because we cannot enter normal commodities because of the lack of fuel or cooking gas at the moment. So we're distributing it at shelters where there's limited facilities, it's overcrowded, and at the same time we started today actually with community assistance, where we are going to the people in the communities and making sure that we're giving them food assistance.
So how many are still in urgent need?
Everyone. So all the commodities that have arrived is basically distributed immediately. That's not something sustainable. If we want to reach the 1.1 million that WFP is planning to reach for now, we need at least 40 trucks of food every day. So that's why I'm saying it's very, very much limited, the amounts, and we need to really scale it up.
And also, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu announced that now the military has opened the second stage war against Hamas, and it will be long and hard. So in the long run, what kind of food crisis this war will bring to Gaza Strip?
So what we're saying now is, from the data that we have and the situation on the ground, we're already at the threat of starvation. We're at the threat of dehydration. We're at the threat of people not eating healthy food, and that would have health consequences. The rainy season haven't started yet. It's on the doors now. So imagine the catastrophe that we will see at the shelters. One shelter, just to give you an example, where many of my colleagues have actually had to escape to, includes 25,000 people that are displaced. It has 8 toilets. So you can imagine what does that mean from a hygiene perspective, and if rain comes, what would happen. So we might be looking at a disease, infectious diseases that could spread in the Gaza Strip if the situation is not controlled and humanitarian assistance is not entered into Gaza. So that's the real concerns that we're really worried about.